Hi, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. I hope you all are doing great. On the screen you can see a tub filled with water in which I have immersed my orchid pots and leca and charcoal pieces. If you see this smaller pot also, the water is muddy, cloudy, and it contains the orchid plants along with my lotus tubers. What is going on? What am I doing here? Is this a new hack, a new trick? What is it? Well, to put it very simply, this is the season when I repot my orchids. You know, the season which begins in and around the end of February to early April is the time when spring sets in this part of the world, and this is when I treat the orchids before repotting them. And how do I treat my orchids? I dissolve fungicide in water, plain tap water, and I immerse the containers in which I have placed my orchids. I immerse the orchids in the ones which are their bare root. I immerse all of these in fungicide water and I let it absorb the fungicide water for say half an hour to 45 minutes. Like here there is a pot that you see which contains the orchid. I have immersed it in the water so that the roots become soft and I am able to repot the orchid by removing it. Okay, because you know orchid roots cling to the earthen pot. Here are the orchids that were there in my leca media. Some orchids that need some upkeep, some treatment. That is why I have dipped these orchids in fungicide water. So after 45 minutes, what I do is I remove all these plants from the fungicide water and I lay them out on a newspaper and dry this entire, bunch of plants in shade. I have taken out my lotus tubers here as well because this is the beginning of spring and they too need some treatment. And here you see the media for the orchids that I have used here, that I have sterilized here. Dipping in fungicide ensures that all the spores of fungus are killed and the plants get a healthy start in the new growing season. It is not mandatory, it is not a step that you have to do it, but you can do it once a year in order to ensure that your plants remain healthy. Okay. So far during the winters, the plants have remained dormant. Most of it has remained dormant. Right now, spring sets in the active growth period. So right at the beginning of the growth period, if you treat your plants in this way, they will respond to the growing season better. Be it the media, the pots, everything needs to be sterilized. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Tell me where you're watching this video from. Tell me how you maintain your plants. Is it too much of a task or do you do it effortlessly? What are the tips and tricks that you follow and you would like to share in the comments down below? Thank you so much for watching.